Dawah, or Islamic outreach, revolves around the principles of self-purification and sincere intentions. The goal is to convey the message of Islam purely for the sake of Allah, free from any inclination toward fame or worldly validation. Intentions must be continuously examined and aligned with the purpose of spreading Allah's message. The approach to dawah must be firmly rooted in the Sunnah, following the teachings and practices of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Modern tools, such as social media, can be utilized effectively as long as they adhere to Islamic guidelines. Wisdom, gentleness, and understanding are essential in all interactions, ensuring that outreach efforts remain respectful and appropriate. This balanced method allows for educating non-Muslims about Islam while simultaneously nurturing and strengthening the faith within the Muslim community. The rewards for guiding someone toward the truth are immense. When someone is guided through another's efforts, all their good deeds bring additional rewards without reducing their own. This divine mercy offers abundant opportunities for spiritual growth. Actions such as starting prayer, giving charity, or embracing Islam because of encouragement contribute to the sharer's rewards, creating an unparalleled spiritual benefit. Effective dawah involves engaging with others in everyday settings such as schools, workplaces, and family gatherings. Women can reach other women in spaces that men may not access, while men can foster discussions within their own communities. Leading by example and demonstrating personal transformation inspire others to explore Islam. Educational resources such as videos, books, and articles provide additional tools for guiding individuals toward understanding the faith. Challenges in dawah require thoughtful handling. Interactions with non-Muslim spouses, for example, should focus on patience, love, and understanding, supported by personal example and gentle introductions to Islamic teachings. Disruptions or difficult questions can be managed with composure, avoiding unnecessary conflict and consulting knowledgeable sources when needed. Balancing obligations is critical, as Islam demands a holistic approach. Dawah should not overshadow other religious responsibilities. Each individual can contribute according to their unique strengths, whether through speaking, financial support, or technical skills like video editing or social media management. Recognizing one's capabilities and maximizing efforts for the cause ensures meaningful contributions, supported by sincere prayers for acceptance. Modern platforms like social media offer opportunities for dawah, provided they are used responsibly and within Islamic boundaries. Avoiding prohibited content, such as music or inappropriate visuals, is essential. If these boundaries cannot be maintained, abstaining from such platforms is recommended. The urgency of dawah as a communal obligation cannot be overstated. Opportunities to share the message arise in various contexts, such as workplaces or casual conversations. Creating curiosity and opening discussions about faith in respectful ways often lead to meaningful exchanges that encourage reflection. Every effort in dawah holds the potential for far-reaching impact. Guiding a friend, supporting a new Muslim, or providing clarity about Islam can transform lives. Through dedication, sincerity, and wisdom, even the smallest actions can contribute to spreading the message of Islam and earning immense rewards in this life and the hereafter.